Hi, lovely people. This is Health, Fitness, and Beauty channel. We bring you anything you need to know about your health, your fitness, and your beauty. These three are very important in every human being's life. As far as you are not dead and you are still living, this channel is created to give you the tips about how to keep your body, your health, and how to make your body beautiful and naturally. This is Health, Fitness, and Beauty. Do well to subscribe for more updates about your health, about the exercise you do, and about the food you eat. Anything we bring to you is from experts who are working in various categories of health, fitness, and beauty. If you want to know anything about your health, fitness, and beauty, then you are the right place. All you need to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all our social media handles so that whenever we bring a new update, you will be the first person to know. And don't forget to share to your family and friends so that they will know the good news. Make sure you do whatever we teach you here very well so that you know the benefits of our teachings. As people get older, it's common to see an increase of belly fat build up along the waistline. This is usually because muscle mass decreases with age as fat increases. You can tone and fortify your abnormal muscles through exercise that extend beyond the simple crunch. Having too much belly fat can pose several health dangers such as increased blood pressure, high level of cholesterol, type 2 diabetes, problems with breathing, heart conditions. Due to these dangers, it is wise to aim to manage your belly fat. Belly fat comes in three forms: subcutaneous and intramuscular and visceral. Subcutaneous fat lies just beneath the skin. Intramuscular fat is present within the muscle tissue. Visceral fat is located deep within the abdomen and surround the organs. Even if you maintain a normal weight and body mass index, an excess of visceral belly fat can still result in various health issues. This exercise I'm going to teach you will help you to reduce belly fat anytime you do it, and you can do it at any place you find yourself comfortable with, even in your bedroom. This exercise name is called squat. I know a lot of you is familiar with this workout, but you don't know how important it is and the benefits you will get from it. It is done by positioning your feet about shoulder width apart. Rest your hands on your back. This is where you will start the exercise by bending your knees and hips. Then sit back using your hips. Keep going until you reach the deepest point you can manage. Quickly go back to the beginning. While you are in the squat, make sure to keep your head and chest lifted and extend your knees outwards. Repeat this for about 12 times if you're a beginner, but if you are a fitness enthusiast, you can do this for 100 times. Doing 100 squats a day may seem like something only masochists will choose to do, but if you commit to doing it every day for 30 days, you may be surprised at how it can benefit your lower body strength and appearance. And it is also helps the female to get round butts and flat tummy. There are a lot of common workouts that I'm going to drop that burn fat faster and other health and beauty videos. Subscribing to the channel always keep you updated. It will never kill you. Thank you for watching.
For my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces, hey, give me that crown, get in my way.